First, I want to go ahead and give you guys an box opening of the headlights, how I got them whenever they came in the mail. This one here is the H8, H9, H11, which is all the same bulb. We'll pull the cover off here, the box. They come with some really nice white gloves, and you got some zip ties, your instruction manual, and then the actual LED headlights themselves, which these are actually made. It looks like it has an all aluminum heat sink, which is pretty darn nice. It's light, actually, it's light duty, but you can still feel that it's heavy enough that it's got some quality to it. It's got the nice built-in fans, brushless fans. It's got the waterproof silicone band around it. Keep the water and moisture out of your headlights. And then here's your plug. Nice headlights, or nice bulbs rather. This is the first kit, so one will be for the highs, one will be for the lows. And like I said, this comes with an Allen key here and your zip ties. The Allen key, I believe there is on these headlights a little Allen screw where you can, it might be underneath the seal, but you can unscrew this cover right here and take this fitting off that goes into your headlights if you wanted to, and replace the rubber seal if it's too big, this one here, with a smaller one that this one didn't come with them in there, but the other ones did. So I'm going to show you those now too. And then there's your white gloves for touching your bulbs and, you know, just keeping your hands clean, but mostly for touching your bulbs. You don't want to put fingerprints on those chips, those LED chips. Here's the second ones, and these are the 905s, HB3s. Pull the box cover off. Here's the white gloves. They also come with another pair in those. And then here's those extra rubber seals I was talking about. And that's to keep moisture out. If the other ones are too big, you'll be able to swap these out. These come with an instruction manual as well. And then here is the LED headlight bulb. Same as the other one. It's got the all aluminum heat sink. It's got the aluminum heat sink around the bulb and on the ballast there. It's got the brushless fan motor on it, super quiet running. And then there's your silicone seal, I believe is what that is. Yeah, it's got, looks like either copper or brass. I think that's copper, which is great for dissipating heat, as I'm sure a lot of you know. But yeah, we wanted to give you guys a first-hand experience of what comes in the packaging and how they are packaged whenever you get them. And as you can see, they come with a lot of stuff. They come very well packaged, all foam cutout surround, very nice. And yeah, it comes with everything you would need to install them. So let's get on to the installation process, and then we will do a before and after video of what the headlights look like before and what they look like after installation. Normally I would make a whole video on how to change out the headlight bulbs themselves, but it's kind of like beating a dead horse at this point. There's a lot of videos online on how to swap out the bulbs. There is a 10mm bolt right there. Let me see if you can see it better on this side. If you look right down, okay, there it is. If you look straight down in there from the top 10mm bolt, there's another 10mm bolt that you'll need to use an extension to get to. There you go. Now this is a 5500 ram, so it has the heavy duty. It says heavy duty across it. It's kind of like a cheaper plastic cover up top, and there's just some plastic clips that hold this in. There's a couple here, so I'll pull that. I always pull that off. And then there are, I think there's four of the 10mm bolts holding the grill in place. I always pull the grill out, and then I will take the two 10mm bolts holding the headlights in out, and then you can kind of just pull the headlight out a bit and pop it out. You will have to use a little bit of force. There are some prongs in the back that kind of just pop into place, and once you get those out, you just take the little covers off the back that hold the headlight, the headlight bulbs in. And when you put your new LEDs down inside there, you'll just tuck the wiring and all that in and put your covers back on to keep water out. And then, yeah, just put your headlights back in, put your grill back in, put your bolts back in, and then put your little plastic cover back in place and your clips. And it's literally just that simple. And now let's see what they look like once we get those in. All right, guys, so here's test one. Not sure how great you can see. This is on dims, stock lights, and I would say I could probably see a total of, maybe 40 feet clearly. And then this is brights. Obviously you can see a bit farther down the road there. I'm on a straight back road here, so lots of room, and I should be able to see all the way to the end, which obviously we can't right now, but this is with the stock brights. Okay, and we'll compare those in just a second. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Look how nice those brights are. So that was about as, these are the dims right here on the new LEDs. And I can see as far with these dims as I could with the brights on the halogen bulbs. Once again, there's the brights. Holy crap. I don't know if this camera is doing any justice compared to real life, but it is pitch black out and I can see all the way down the end of this road. Definitely wouldn't want to actually flash your brights at somebody because they would go blind. Yeah, these are definitely some nice bulbs. These are actually really bright, and we use these in our Ford Excursions and all of our F-250, F-350s. The Auxito LED bulbs are just, they're one of the few bulbs that are at a decent price that you don't have to worry about one of them going out in the first 6 months or something. Again, just real quick, look how nice that is. That's so bright. And there's the dims. But yeah, these are one of the few bulbs we've tried that won't fail you ultra fast and don't go out within 6 months or a year. There's a link in the description for a coupon code that Auxito actually gave me for doing this installation video. If you guys want, take advantage of that discount code and go ahead and save yourself a couple bucks. But yeah, I love these new headlight bulbs. They made a big difference. Having really dim bulbs or crappy headlights was one of the only things I didn't like about the Ram 5500. And that looks like it's going to be an issue of the past. One more time, I'm going to flick my brights. Yeah, just look at that. Holy crap. Alright, I'm going to cut this now before the neighbors think I'm having a football game outside or something. Alright, talk to you guys later. One more thing I wanted to say to you guys real quick. If you use that link in my description, that is the only way I've been able to find these exact bulbs. They may sell them on Amazon or eBay, but going directly to Auxito's website with that link in my description will take you straight there, and you can put in your year, make, and model. And then the first bulbs that come up, which will be the, if you choose the brights, it'll be the 9005, I believe. And then the dims are the H11, I believe. It's one or the other, but the first ones that'll pop up on the website will be the top left. You'll see that they looked identical to the ones I showed you. You'll pick those, and by using that referral link, I think it gives you like 10% off instantly. And then using the coupon code, the Howard's Garage, you'll get an additional, I think, 15% off. So long story short, whenever I first clicked on them, they were showing these bulbs at like $130. And then when we checked out and used my coupon code, it dropped them down to like 78 bucks. So big difference. Just wanted to clarify that. If anybody has any problems using the link or trying to figure it out, just let me know and I'll help you clarify. All right, thanks guys.